What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. My name is George. Today, guys, I came home to find this box on my doorstep, and this is the best surprise because this work week has been insane. Not only have I been getting over the flu, but it's just been a long week in general. So, nice little surprise here from Knack bags. Now, guys, if you know me, or if you don't know me, backpacks are like my life. My backpack is pretty much attached to me at all times, so that's a fun fact right there. Now, knackbags.com is a website that pretty much supplies backpacks that are fitted for every person. It's a backpack that you can travel with. It's a backpack that's luxurious. It's a backpack that is quality at its finest, pretty much. So I'm excited to unbox this right here, bring awareness to this company, and share this with you guys. So if you're interested in all this, then keep on watching. So I honestly never owned anything from Knack Bags, and they actually reached out to me to check out their products. So kind of excited about this, and I've been doing my research about this company because, like I said, I'm a backpack fanatic. I love backpacks. I literally put everything in it. If I could put my cats in my backpack and bring them around with me, I would. So yeah. You can find out a ton of cool information out about this company on their website, but there's one thing really in particular that kind of stood out to me that I thought was pretty cool. And basically the team that came up with this company based this upon their experience. And it seems like a lot of them work for companies such as Tumi, North Face, Coach, Samsonite, and eBags. And it says that on their story on the website. So I thought it was pretty cool because it seems like everybody once worked for one of these companies and just wanted to make the ultimate everyday type of bag, which is awesome. Right now the website only carries a medium and a large size bag. The medium goes for $165, large is $195. This right here, I got the medium bag because I want to use this for my everyday type of use. Enough of that, let's dive in and check out the backpack. Now the box itself is pretty cool. I mean, it's kind of shaped like a backpack. It's very light. I thought the box was pretty neat because you don't really see packaging that's shaped like this. Not a big deal, but found it to be pretty cool. All right, there we have their marketing on there. #OneBagLife. Looks like this is a authenticity form. Gives some pretty cool instructions about where to keep some of your stuff in the bag, different compartments, which is one thing that I read about as well. This bag has tons of compartments, which is awesome. And this is a thank you note. Pretty cool. Right. This has to be the backpack. It's actually coming in a bag, which is pretty ironic. There we go. It's gonna be nice to store it. Little dust bag. Ah, this is beautiful, you guys. I forgot that this was actually going to be a green color. Oh my god. This to me is your average size backpack. This isn't anything bigger than your typical JanSport or Herschel bags. But this color is very unique. This is a hunter-esque green, forest green. I love it. Let's take a look on the inside here. See what they're talking about when it comes to oh my god, this really is a luggage bag. The inside is an awesome interior. I mean, this orange accent, and looks like this is where you can put your clothes if you want to travel with some clothes. And there's some front compartments, there's side compartments. I think this is where you want to put a water. If you have a water, you can put it right there. A drink. There's the front. Oh wow. This is literally huge. I was not expecting this backpack to be this big. When they say this is the life bag and you can put everything in it, they're not exaggerating. Okay, so the front opens right here. I guess you can use this kind of a card holder. I don't know, put cards in there, but pencils go in here or something. I don't know what you want to put in there, brushes. Whatever you want, whatever your heart desires, but this is honestly really sick. Try this on, let's see how this fits. Oh, the back even has a buckle right here, which is pretty neat. Now, if you really want to, and if you're afraid that someone's gonna steal your backpack, looks like you could strap it in right there. But guys, this is honestly high quality. This is no joke. You could probably take this hiking, traveling, on an airplane, I'd say this is like the best for like a carry-on. This is insane. And they do have pretty cool accents, like their Knack pack logo is right there. But I think one thing that I find pretty cool about this is it's very simple. Oh, it says Knack right there. It's very simple, but at the same time sophisticated and very like multi-purpose. So I have to say this is really sick. This is highly underrated as far as like backpacks that I'm familiar with. So if you guys have the chance, I definitely recommend checking this out. 165 bucks for this, but really, like when you think of like how much storage comes in this versus like how much are Herschel backpacks? Like 90 bucks. A little bit more, you can get a backpack that is like multi-purpose, which to me goes a long way, especially if you're like me when you use a backpack for everything. Also, when it comes to backpacks, comfort is like a must. You don't want to wear a backpack that is like flimsy and cheap. And guys, I have a Primark backpack that I've been using. It's not the most comfortable backpack, I'm not gonna lie. It looks cool, it's trendy, it's like a camo type backpack, but in reality, it is not comfortable. This right here has like cushions on the back. Right here it's soft. Like there's just a huge difference when it comes to like, I guess a luxury backpack versus just like a fun, trendy one. All right guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to unbox this. I came home from work and I was like, all right, I'm not gonna like let this package just like sit here and like wait to record. I wanna open this right now. It's been a long week and I need to enjoy my life. So that's it for this Knack bags review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you guys are interested in backpacks. If not, sorry about this video, but I did enjoy filming this because I'm in dire need for a new backpack because that Primark one is not doing the job. So if you guys did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video, share the love, hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, so you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. Also, my Instagram is like in one of these corners, so give that a follow. I try to like post 2 times a week, so might as well stay up to date on there. I also do like to answer questions for you guys, so if you have anything as far as recommendation goes for like a new video, or if you're just wondering anything, like hit me up. I like to communicate with my following, so. But until next time guys, have a good day, have a good night, whatever time of day it is, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.